In today's video, I'm going to teach you files and attachments in Asana, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to sign in, open a project, attach files to a task, and quickly find every attachment stored in that project. Start by heading to Asana in your web browser and signing in. Enter your email address, then select Continue. When prompted, type your password and click Log In. In a moment, you'll land on your Asana homepage where you can see your recent work, projects, and tasks. From here, you can either create a new project or open an existing one. If you're setting something up from scratch, create a project the way you normally would. If you already have a project in mind, simply open it from your list. Both paths lead you to the project workspace where tasks live and collaboration happens. Inside the project, open a task and expand its details. The Details pane is where you add descriptions, assign owners, set due dates, and importantly, attach files. Look for the paperclip icon in the task. This is your attachment button. Click it to bring up your upload options. You can upload a file directly from your computer, which is great for documents, images, and screenshots you have on hand. Choose the option to pick a file, then browse your device, select what you need, and confirm. As soon as it finishes uploading, the file appears in the task's activity area so your teammates can view it right away. Clear file names help everyone identify the right version faster. If your files live in the cloud, select Google Drive from the same attachment menu. This links the file rather than duplicating it, so you're always pointing to the latest version. Pick the file you want and attach it to the task. Either way, the attachment is now part of the task's context. When you're ready to review everything that's been added to the project, go to the project's Files view. Click the Files tab near the top of the project to see a gallery of every attachment across all tasks in that project. This is your central library, perfect for finding assets without digging through individual tasks. You can open files from here to preview them or jump straight to the task they belong to for more context. That's it. You signed in, opened a project, attached files to a task using the paperclip, and used the Files tab to locate everything in one place. Keep attachments close to the tasks they support, and your team will always know where to find what they need.